Winter-like atmospheric pressure conditions will continue around Japan until the end of this year and warn along the Sea of Japan for heavy snow and blizzards. Around the Japanese archipelago, the pattern of high pressure in the west and low pressure in the east becomes stronger as winter approaches. Cold air conditions in the sky and heavy snow have been reported to have fallen since yesterday in northern Japan and along Mount Hokuriku. It was reported that in Kuzuryu, Ono City, Fukui Prefecture, 23 centimeters of snow fell in the 3 hours until 6 a.m., causing snowfall to increase rapidly. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in Japan have been affected by the snowstorm since last Friday. In other areas, there was heavy snowfall at a rate of about 5 centimeters per hour, and in the 12 hours to 6 a.m., snowfall increased by 31 centimeters in Tadami City, Fukushima Prefecture, and 20 centimeters in Tokumachi City, Niigata Prefecture. On the morning of Sunday 29th, new snow was expected to total more than 30 centimeters in large areas along Mount Hokuriku, and in many places more than 50 centimeters. The authorities appeal to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit their area over the last few days.
Oh,